Hi everyone. Let's start with the next section, Understanding and Gaining File System Mastery. In this section, we will extend some of the contents from the previous section, acting like a typewriter and file explorer, but aim to make you even stronger when creating, viewing and managing files. We will begin with the first video that deals with viewing files from various angles, head, tail, less, and more. As of this very moment, your system likely has many text files of various sizes, including a never-ending log file being written too. You might even have several large files containing copious amounts of code, such as the Linux kernel or a software project, and would like to quickly view them from the console without slowing your system down to a halt. To do this, there are 4 essential commands that should be able to provide you more than enough functionality for their purposes. The essential commands are head, tail, more and less. You can view its individual functionality on the screen. For this video, several large text files are needed. If you have some already, great. If not, install it from random text website using this command. Lorem ipsum is pseudo-random text that is used in a variety of text-related duties, often as placeholder values because it looks to be a language of sorts, and is useful where the human brain is disturbed by copy and paste stubtext. Then we will run this command. Here, fmt command is a simple optimal text formatter. It is used to clean up the output a bit for better results on the command line. Now we will run a few commands in the terminal. First, we will run lorem-ipsum.txt file using cat command. Then we will execute the same txt file using the text command. It will print the first few lines of the file. On executing, we will see the desired result. When we specify the -n flag with a decimal number such as 1, both utilities will output a single line or whatever number of lines is entered. Let's execute this command and observe the generated result. You can see that only first line of the text file is printed. As we looked at the head command, similarly we will look at the tail command. Tail command will print the last few lines from the text file. So, we will run this command and we could see the generated output. Lastly, we will execute the tail command and specify -n flag with a decimal number such as 1. It generates the desired output. Interestingly enough, the tail command has a feature that is different than the head command. It can monitor the tail end of a file forever until the command is exited or killed when using the -f in lowercase or -f in uppercase flags. Let's run this command. As we are using -f parameter, it will reopen the file and continue outputting the contents. If the file has a read error or is moved or rotated out, -f in lowercase will often stop outputting information. Let's proceed and generate the output. Keeping the tail command running, try disconnecting your wireless or Ethernet port. What do you see? Press Ctrl and C to quit tail, and then we will run this command. Pressing the spacebar or Enter on your keyboard will progress through the file until the end. On pressing Q will immediately exit more and return you to the console prompt. Further, we will try this command. Here, we will try navigating through the file using page up, page down, the up and down arrow keys, and Enter and the spacebar. Notice anything? It works. That's all for this video.